A very good afternoon, students. Children, please open this grammar book. We will study together. Please come to the page number 8. Yeah, this one. This is your chapter number 3, questions. Okay? Children, Meena is a new girl in class 3rd and Richa wants to be her friend. So, let's read the conversation. Richa: Hello, what is your name? See, Richa wants to know something about Meena. Yes. So, what Meena replies? Hi, I am Meena. Again, Richa wants to ask something. She wants to know something about Meena. Will you be my friend? क्या तुम मेरी friend बनोगी? What the Meena replies? Yes, I will. So this is the conversation of Richa and Meena. Okay, children? Children, here both sentences are different. Okay? And in this side, there is question mark at the end. है ना? है ना question mark? All these sentences are question sentences. Okay? What are these? These are the question sentences. What is your name? Will you be my friend? These are the question sentences. Okay? So we can say question sentences are the sentences that ask something and end with question mark. देखो यहाँ पे रिचा कुछ पूछ रही है मीना से, है ना? रिचा को मीना के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, है ना? एंड क्या है यहाँ पे इन क्वेश्चंस के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो दीज आर दी क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस. ओके? तो क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस हम कब पूछते हैं? जब हमें किसी के बारे में कुछ इंक्वायरी करनी है या कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए. ठीक है? देन वी आस्क द क्वेश्चन sentences. Okay? Children, questions can be made in 2 ways. ठीक है? Questions, sentences can be made in 2 ways. First one is, question sentences start with special words called question words and end with a question mark. Okay? And what are that special words? What, who, where, how, which, why. These are the special words, and these special words also known as question words. Okay? तो क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए हम इन वर्ड्स का भी यूज़ करते हैं. We can use these special words to form question sentences. Okay? Like for example, what is your name? अगर किसी का नाम पूछना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? स्पेशल वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, है ना? what is your name? who are you? where do you stay? how do you come to school? which color do you like the most? So we can form question sentences with the help of these special words. Okay? And second type is, children, yeah, these question sentences can be formed by changing the order of words. Okay? By changing the order of words. Look here, for example, You will be my friend. This is a simple sentence, है ना. You will be my friend. Now if we change the order of these two words, so what will be the sentence? We'll put this word will at the first place. Okay, will you be my friend? Now the sentence is change. Okay, and here is question mark at the end, so this is a kind of question sentence. Okay, will you be my friend? Okay, one more example. Meena was present in class yesterday. A simple kind of sentence है ना, कि मीना कल क्लास में प्रेजेंट थी. Yes. Now if we change the order of these two words, okay, was Meena present in class yesterday? Now the sentence is change. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सेंटेंस क्या हो गया अब हमारा, was. क्या मीना क्लास में प्रेजेंट थी? Now we are asking question. Okay, so this is a kind of question sentence, and we will put the question mark at the end. Okay children, see, whenever we will form this second type of the question sentence, what we will do, we will change the order of these two words. Okay, means the helping verb was, were, was, were, is, are. Okay, will, shall, these are the helping verbs. Okay, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब की पोजीशन चेंज करने से, अगर हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब को फर्स्ट प्लेस में लेके आते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है, सेंटेंस हमारा चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, सो सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस, this type of sentence we can make by the change of the order of two words. Okay, first two words, or we can change the order of helping verb. ठीक है. So children, we can say, if we want to get some information about someone or something, we always ask a question. Okay, and the question can be made in two ways. It can be formed with special words like what, who, how, where, and why. Okay, and second type, they can also be formed by changing the order of words. Okay, so let's do the exercise. Children, please open page number 9. Exercise A. Suhana has met Mihika for the first time. Make questions that they ask each other. Use the question word given in the brackets. Okay, we have to use only these special words to form the question sentences. Okay, so here is Suhana and here is Mihika. Okay, Suhana wants to ask a question. She wants to know something about Mihika. Okay, so we have to use here who. What the special word is given here? Who. Okay, and with this, with the help of this word, we have to form a question word. Means question sentence. Okay, so how we will form? Who. So Suhana will ask, who are you? Who are you? And we will put the question mark at the end. This is a question sentence. And Mihika replies, I am Mihika. Okay, again the next question word is what. Now Mihika is asking a question, and we have to form a question with the special word what. Okay, what is your name? Now Mihika wants to know about Suhana. ठीक है, तो Mihika क्या पूछ रही है? What is your name? And we will put a question mark here. Okay, children? And Suhana replies, my name is Suhana. Okay? Now again, Suhana wants to know something with the word where. We are going to use where, okay, to form the question sentence. Where do you live? Suhana is asking, where do you live? Mehika says, I stay in Moti Nagar. Okay? Again, here Suhana is saying with the word how. How do you come to school? है ना? How do you come to school? And what Mehika replies? I come to school by the school bus. Okay? So children, in this exercise, we have to form question sentences with the help of these special words. Okay? Write down it neatly. Huh? Now come to the next page. B. Make questions from the following sentences by changing the position of the words printed in bold. Put question mark at the end. Like one example is done for you. The boy was sleeping. Now we will change the sentence. This bold word we have to put at the first place. Okay? Was. Was the baby sleeping? Okay? And question mark at the end. This is a kind of question sentence. Okay? The first one is Jyoti will sing. Then what we will do? क्या करना है? जो बोल्ड लेटर में है, ठीक है, हमने उस वर्ड को रिप्लेस करना है ज्योति के साथ. ठीक है? सो विल ज्योति. सी, ज्योति इज द नेम ऑफ अ गर्ल. सो द फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी कैपिटल. हाँ, और इधर भी सेंटेंस वी आर स्टार्टिंग ना, एंड as I told you in your previous chapter, first letter should be कैपिटल. तो यहाँ पे विल का W क्या होगा? कैपिटल. ओके? विल ज्योति सिंग एंड विल पुट द क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके? सेकेंड वन, द स्कूल इज क्लोज्ड. इज, सो I should be capital. Is the school closed? And question mark at the end. It was raining in the morning. So was it raining in the morning? And question mark at the end. The puppy was hungry. Was the puppy hungry? Question mark. Okay? Avni's handwriting is very tidy. Is Avni's. Avni is the name of a girl. हाँ, तो इसका भी फर्स्ट लेटर हमने क्या किया? कैपिटल किया है. ओके? इज Avni's handwriting very tidy? And question mark. Mohan was happy. Was Mohan happy? And question mark. Number 7 is Rahul is a good boy. Is Rahul a good boy? And question mark at the end. The next one is the boys were playing. So this were is bold word. Okay, we'll put at the first place. Were the boys playing? See children, हमें सेंटेंस में और कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं करने हैं. लुक अपर साइड, हमने कहीं पे भी कोई एक्स्ट्रा चेंजेस नहीं किए हैं. सिर्फ हमने क्या किया है, जो बोल्ड लेटर है और जो जो बोल्ड वर्ड है और जो फर्स्ट वर्ड है, हमने उनकी प्लेस चेंज कर दी है ना. हमने क्या किया, वर्ब को हम पहले लेके आए हैं, फिर हमने बाकी सेंटेंस को एज इट इज कॉपी कर दिया है. ठीक है? मीता इज लेट फॉर स्कूल. Is Mita late for school? And question mark. Okay. They will return today. Will they return today? Question mark. Vani is her friend. Is Vani her friend? Question mark. Tanya is a good dancer. Is Tanya a good dancer? Question mark. She was playing with Vihan. Was she playing with Vihan? They are practicing for the test. Are they practicing for the test? And the next one is match word in column A with the group of words in column 2. Okay, to make the questions which make complete sense. Okay, column 1 and column 2. Yes, we have to match and to make the question sentences with the complete sense. What are you doing? Match number 1 with C. What are you doing here? 2. Who? Match 2 with D. Who is talking in the class? Third, how? Match with A. Third, match with A. How are you? Fourth, where? Match with E. Fourth, match with E. Where are you going? Fifth, match with B. Fifth, match with B. Why did you come late in the class? Okay, children, please fill this exercise in your book with pencil only. Okay, with the pencil you have to fill this exercise. Thank you.